έβαλες.
Okay.
Today my father give me 5 euros to buy something to eat. And σκάσε.
Shut up. You shut up.
Ναι. And Daph's grandma give her 5 euros.
Oh yeah, my grandma gave me 5 euros, so we have 10 euros and we can buy the whole world and the whole solar system.
Oh, what is system? Solar system.
Solar system.
What is this?
This is the sun with the planets.
I don't know. But after we will go to buy something to eat.
Okay, I want to eat sandwich.
Yeah, me too. Do you know how to take... Wait a minute, I want to think. Oh my god. We have learned from their mothers.
Copy. Copier.
Funny, my dear.
Copier.
Okay.
Okay. So you hold this.
Okay, my dear.
You hold this. No. So now I have 5 euros and I want to buy something, but I don't know what to buy. You tell me.
You can buy something to eat, just like a sandwich, and you can buy also something to drink, just like portocalada and Coca-Cola.
Oh yeah, that is a very good idea. Our accents are so good. We could be British, real British.
Yeah.
Not fake, real.
Yeah, of course. But I want to tell you something άσχετο, because I have in my head. Do you like?
Not very close.
Okay. Do you like English boys?
Oh yeah, they are hot, but not British. The American ones and the Australians. The Australians are hot.
I think one of American boys.
Christopher Drew, I love
Christopher
you.
Drew is
Christopher.
sweetie but not beautiful.
Shut the fuck up, you little bitch.
Okay, I'm an asshole.
He's the most handsome boy in the whole world.
Okay.
I said it.
I believe one of the most beautiful boys in Greece is Panagiotis. Yeah, I don't say names because we don't say names and δεν θίγουμε οικογένειες. Copy.
The most beautiful girl in the world, in the whole world, is
Daphne.
Of course, but except me. Yes,
Sonia.
it is. Λοιπόν, well, it is Hilary Duff and Jennifer Aniston. Jennifer Aniston, you're my favorite actress. I love you very much.
Can I ask you something?
Of course, what?
Do you believe that? I don't know. I just say it.
Yes, I don't believe it. I don't believe in bullshit.
Yeah, it's bullshit.
Bullshit.
Take that and grab
Not
it.
very close. So,
Yeah, he asked me something.
what are you doing tomorrow morning, darling?
I don't listen.
What are you doing tomorrow morning, darling?
Tomorrow morning we take videos. Yeah.
I suppose we go out for a walk.
We go out for a walk with Daph and we go to Domus.
I wanna pee.
I wanna be there. And go to Domus to drink coffee.
Here it's Domus. You see?
Domus.
You see? People, no, we are alone here.
We are aligned.
It's a very crowded place.
Yeah.
It's popular.
And after we go to a park and
Oh, here, darling, listen to me. This took 5 minutes. I have to turn it off.
Yeah.
Okay, bye.
Bye.